Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to calculate area in AutoCAD by using 5 different commands. I am breaking down the most efficient way to find area in AutoCAD, ranging from the basic area commands to the advanced data extraction workflow to create an automated area table linked to the Excel file. In simple terms, we can export the area value to the Excel file from this drawing. We will use 5 commands here to calculate the area. First one, we will use a property palettes. Second one, we will use a list command. Third one, we will display the area on the drawing here with the help of the fill command. Fourth, we will use measure geometry command, and fifth, we will use a area command. Let's start. First, we will use a property palettes. Select the object to which you want to calculate the area and press press 1, and this property palettes will be open and you will see the area here. It is the area. Similarly, you can see the area of any object. This is the area. Second one, we will use a list command here. We have to type list, press enter and select the object, then press enter and you will see the area here. This is with the help of the list command. Now if you want to display the area on the screen here, for that we have to type a command here, field, field, and this field box is open here, and here you have to select the object. We want to select the object. Now object type, click here on select object. Let's say you want to select this object and the area is display here, and here you can change the units and you can change the precision here. Click OK and you can increase and decrease the height of the character. Simply type H and I will give this one 6, display here. So right now this gray background is showing here. To remove this one, type here field display and the value is 1. We have to make it 0. Press enter. The background will be changed. Same way, if you want to display here, use field command, object, select the object here, click OK and display here. This is the area. This is the by using display command. Now we can use the next command, measure geometry, type MEA, and when you use this command you will find this length and width automatically while hovering the cursor on the any object. So here we have to type area, AR, type O for object, and let's see, I will click this one. Now it's showing green and this is the area. You can find here 1891. This is the area. This is with the help of the measure geometry command. Next one is a area command. Type area and select here object, and I want to see this one. You will see the area here 189172. With the help of the area command, I can measure the area of the many objects in a single click. Again press enter, type here add, click on type O object, select this one, let's say this one, this one. So in one shot you can see the area. Total area is showing here 71448. This is with the help of the measure command. Press escape to cancel the command. If you want to export the area of these objects in Excel file, how to export this area into the Excel file from the AutoCAD file? For that, type here data extraction, press enter. We have to click here create new data extraction, type next, and here we have to give the name of the file. I will give the name area cal, save. You can calculate the area from the whole drawing, or you can select the few items, let's say 10 or 15 items you want to select from your drawing. For that, select this one, select object in the current drawing and select objects. I want to display the area in the Excel file of these objects. Now press enter and here click next, again click next, and property you will see these are the fields which will display in the Excel file. So I don't want to display so many properties in the Excel file. So simply I will untick these things. I don't want to show these things in the Excel file. Now click next. These are the object which we selected previously. Now area is showing here. Now we have to simply click next, and here you want to see the output. I want to see the output in the Excel file. So I will click here, and here you can select the path in which you want to export the area. So I selected this one. You can select your own. Click next and finish. And this is the file. You can see that these are the counts 1, 3 and 3, 6 numbers. This is the area and this is the layer. This is the length. So many properties we already untick, otherwise you will find all these properties here. So in this way, in one shot, you can export the area value to the Excel file. In this way, we can measure the area in AutoCAD. With the help of these 5 commands, we can display on the screen and we can export the data to the Excel file.